What I do. Hope you guys are doing good as always. My name is Landon, and welcome. I'm going to be trading the S&P and NASDAQ today, or at least trading the one that presents the best setup, if any at all. If you've watched my last couple videos, you'll know, or my last short specifically, I blew my last account. It is what it is. I'm starting to risk more to try and essentially pass the account faster. So I'm just adjusting. I had a really good week the first week of March, and the second week it wasn't even that bad. I could have completely just not blown it, but it was my decision to try and full port it to bring back my profit, and it just didn't go in my favor. I put too many contracts in, and the rejection it made pulled me out and blew the account. So it was my fault. It's whatever. I'm not even stressing about it because I now know that I can actually pass this thing probably within a month if I just risk the proper amount on the proper trades. I just can't over leverage when I'm not so sure about what the market's doing. So I'm really hoping we get an 8 a.m. retest today. I'm just glad it's not a complete no news Monday. At least we had something going on. I trade the 8 a.m. opening range breakout, and if that gets disrespected, then I can try and look for a liquidity sweep and then a zone kind of manipulative trade. If you don't know what that is, don't worry, because in this video I'm sure you'll see an opportunity for me to take it. And if not, then I won't even post this. Or maybe I will. I don't care. Forgive me, guys. I'm going to be vaping in this video. Do not vape. It is bad for you. I am slowing down and trying to stop. But I also don't want to... Also, happy market open. I don't want to make this a habit, and I don't want to edit out all the parts of me hitting it. So I'm sorry if you see me hitting it. I know it's gay, so just bear with me there, okay, buddy? Alright, boys and girls, don't do this. It's bad. Let's see what happens. Because of how drawn up we are since 5 a.m., when was our last liquidity sweep? Technically, we swept buy side at 6 in the morning, and we swept sell side at 5 a.m. Let's see, 4-hour sweeps. No 4-hour sweep yet. We'll see what happens. I'm not going to stress it. I just want to wait for an 8 a.m. retest. Is this? Yeah, this is like basically a filled hourly fair value gap that I wanted to mark out. I thought NASDAQ was in one, but it's like way more. It's already inversed it. So, yeah, definitely. Okay. Because NASDAQ inversed this gap, kind of makes me think we're going to go long. ES just kind of filled it, but we'll see what happens. I want to see a close above and a retest, and I'll probably take a long up there with a 5-point stop loss. So I'll start with 3 contracts here today, especially because it's Monday. It's a brand new week, so there's probably not a reason to go max contracts right now. And also really don't want to lose the first trade on this account. I want my stats to look pretty. So if I have to use that to get myself through not taking a trade, then I will. I have also an idea. I want you guys, if you are seeing this in the comments, please leave recommendations, okay? So for losing trades, I understand how boring it can be to watch an entire video for an outcome that's not exactly positive. So let me know if you would rather see me post all the long format videos like this. For winning trades, I definitely still want to keep posting the full trade just so you can see exactly what I'm thinking through each individual trade and how I enter. But for a loss, I can still do that, or I can start posting like the shorter videos for those, like either make a short or just a short or long format video, just recapping the trade and where I went wrong and what you could have done to prevent it. Let me know. I think that's a good idea. That's probably what I'm going to start doing, but I want to make sure people actually like that. And so we got a midpoint like test right there, and I think it's going to end up closing outside of this gap now. Let's see what our most recent 15-minute candle did. Oh yeah, we filled a 15-minute fair value gap as well. Is there any like 30-minute liquidity I need to worry about? It's essentially up here, yes. What is NAS looking like? Oh yeah. That's the thing though, like with the 8 a.m. not exactly going how I would like it to. That's like another reason not to take a trade. Like hands are up in the air right now. Also, should I put a shirt on? Bro, I'm going through like a crazy storm right now, so I kind of hope my fucking power stays on. And I gotta keep out for warnings, dude. We're like literally in a tornado watch. Don't you guys hate when you check your phone and you get a message from the person you've been waiting to get a message for, and like you look at it right when they send it and you're like, fuck! Now I can't send it. What we doing, okay? What we doing? Looking like a 5-minute S&T is what we looking like. But I can't judge it off this super quick movement here. But I mean, clear as day. It's SMT right now on the bearish side. We failed to close out as well, so I have to wait a whole another 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. I think, to be honest, I think it's gonna get swept. I think we'll end up closing out here. And that 15-minute fill does look pretty righteous. Pretty righteous. Yeah. Naz is just ripping up. Oops, about to sweep. Yeah. I can delete that, I think. Alright, so with Naz going up this high, it's definitely going to have to make a retest, I believe. So what I'm thinking is we are the lagging index on S&P. I can definitely watch NAS close and base my position because I think we're going for this high up here. Given that the last bit of liquidity we swept on the higher time frame, the 4-hour, was sell side liquidity. I mean, technically this swept buy side liquidity. So I don't know, dude. This is all the reason. I don't want to confuse myself for nothing. There was no CRT giving me any bias, like on the daily chart. So we're just gonna keep watching this. I want to see. We're chilling. Holy shit. Okay, yeah, these are the same points in liquidity. Alright, so Okay. We get a little. Is this a 5-minute sweep? Because look, we haven't closed out of this gap, this 8 a.m. zone yet. So I'm not. I am thinking. I was kind of thinking we're going long here. kind of looks like NAS especially really wants this high. So I would not be opposed because of just how ES is moving. The 3 minute looks really bad. The 1 minute looks awful. The 5 minute looks bad on that, but on NASDAQ, the 5 looks pretty good from what I can see. Let me see, did we close above this? Yes, we did. So that was essentially a break. That could have been the manipulation move, consolidation. Let's see, we got a few minutes here. We'll see what this does here. Wait, what would this be testing? It's like testing a 3 minute. Yes, it is. Yo. Alright. That is going to be a close above. Yes. Yes, it was. Alright, looking for this midpoint retest on ES futures. Do we want to see how this 3 minute reacts, though? Finally got our break. I mean, we got technically a midpoint test, and then we broke. So that's why I'm not taking it right now. I want to see this cut down more so I can risk a little less. If we're going long. We'll see that. I don't want to take NAS, man. NAS looks super good, but there's just like no liquidity sweep right there. And maybe I could just be more patient for this. But it just doesn't look good on the 1 minute. What I do like is this 5 minute gap we've made right here. Oh, and NAS is filling a 5 minute gap. Okay. Thinking longs. We definitely had some consolidation. And we kind of manipulated, then distributed, or is this the manipulation? NAS is ripping, or ES. ES is ripping. I like NAS. NAS looks like it is filling this 5 minute extremely well here. And now it also looks like it is the lagging index. see right here on ES. If it would come down and sweep all of that, that'd be fucking dope. I hate looking at tilt now, but now Nasdaq's like 50-50 on shorts, and ES is looking more long. I really fucking like that fill that it's given on Nasdaq. Should I take Nas, man? I'm feeling Nas is looking good. I'm feeling Nas is looking fucking good, man. Hold on, boys. Sorry. I need that. Okay. Looking good. Sorry. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. I think I'm gonna buy. Oh no! I bought on the wrong thing. Okay, okay. Where's Nasdaq? Where's Nasdaq? Right there. Fuck. I fucked up bad. I fucked up bad, yo. I meant to enter earlier on Nas. Take a better trade. I still took like a 1 to 2. I think that'd be a good stop zone right there. Oopsies. I totally meant to take this sooner. My settings are all fucked up. That's what I meant to do. Was that. I'll risk 200 flat on it. Totally did not mean to take this fucking trade like this. It is what it is. And I only took 2 contracts as well. Didn't mean to do that. ES is just fucking ripping. Technically, it did get an 8 a.m. retest right here. After it closed out, I just I just didn't take it because it didn't go to the midpoint. So we're gonna keep watching that. Would have liked to take a better position here, but I will move down a contract when we get this big retracement. If we get this big retracement, then I will go for it here. And this is the new candle. probably want to test this right here. Here we go, on the 5. Not worth buying one right now. Too close to entry. I have a full 2K again to risk, so I'm not even stressing really. The macro's about to open. I like that fill a lot. Probably just got another 3-minute, I'd guess. No. This closes right now. Fill it. Fill it up. Man. I am getting a little fucking chilly. I can't even lie to you guys. Holy shit. Ugh. My entry could have been so much better. ES's 5-minute looks really good. Hey, I made $8. I didn't realize that because I took the on ES by accident. Now it's just so much lower. This is when I should buy one. Alright, this is what we're doing. Only put $75 more on? Oh, fuck yeah. That was worth the shit. That was super worth. I could probably even dial it out down a little bit if I really need to, but whatever. On a 1 to 2 here. A little bit better. I like ES there. I'm glad I entered again there. It's ES showing good pressure. Fill the 3-minute good. Diamonds in the fucking woods. Yeah, diamonds all up in my wood. Feel so safe. There we go. I do like how it's kind of like not going lower. You know what I mean? Hope this is our good push up here. Just blast straight through this 1 minute fair value gap. Would be ideal. That was beautiful. I do kind of think, like, I don't know, like, I kind of just want to keep risking what I was risking. I feel like moving my stops too much. I need to really hit a good zone first. Hourly. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Landon is in the trade. You can't move that position. It's too late. Yeah. 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 Got 25 bars in the marble.
keeping the full fucking contracts. I was gonna put a partial, but like, I didn't really know where to put it. To be fair. To be completely fair. 15-minute fair value gap was awesome to see as well. Let's see what happens. I'm remaining confident, man. How did my P&L go down? I had $8 before. Hey, yo, I'm a fucking fine. Yo, how the hell? Oh, when I entered that position? Is that what it was? Yeah, it had to be. I was gonna say, how the fuck did my P&L go down? But I forgot the fees and everything. Oh, wait. Oh, 5-minute close or something. Hourly close as well. 4-hour close as well. Immediately back in negatives. That's kind of scary. That was a good 15-minute close there. It was good. Can you guys hear that rain? Holy shit, dude. If I lose power during this trade, I'm gonna flip. This opened at 10. ES is making me feel better about myself. I will say that. Well, I'm glad I didn't make a 3-minute fair value gap, to say the least. What does this look like on the 5, on the 3, on the 1? So it's good. Do your thing, huh? That was a little break-even stop for sure. So I gotta be a little bit more patient. Because it just literally had went all the way up and just came back down, and had to have been like a 1-minute liquidity grab. Something like that. But 3-minute just closed absolutely gorgeously. Forming a new high. The 5-minute is also currently forming a new high. It is raining hard out. I have all my equipment outside. It's covered, of course, but it's always so worrying. Let me look at it real quick. Hopefully it's not getting poured on. No, we're good. We're fucking good. It's taking everything in me not to fucking just pull this trade out because we're moving so slow. We got about 6-ish more minutes on macro timing. The macro kill zone, as the Bucks call it. there, my friends, is some scary buying or scary selling pressure. We did just close above this high here. We filled a 30-minute gap. You made such a good high, man. Such a good high. Gotta keep the nerves calm. I need a damn water. I'm feeling parched. I'm gonna grab me a water. Hopefully I come back and I'm not stopped the fuck out. What was this? A gap? Why? Why? Why is there a gap? The question is, do I trust this next 5-minute low? I don't know that I do. I don't know that I do. I will move it a little more up because I think if it just sweeps us out, then we'd be looking at some figgity fucking bullshit. I can't fucking tell. I don't think it is. 30-second scalp, yo. Inversion of the 30-second, yo. 1 minute or 30-second fill. 30-second fill, buddy. It's fucking pissing rain outside. It's pissing rain outside. Alright. Show us what you want to do. Do it. Do it. Do it. Congruent. Baby, it's cold outside. We have to go. Hey, baby, I'm cold outside. Sorry, I be singing. I be jamming. You gotta forgive me. Singing, singing these songs this good might get me copyright struck. They asked me to perform a lot of these songs, but I just turn them down because I'm just too good for it, So they asked these other people to sing these great songs. What the fuck am I talking about? All I know is we're about to hit this 50% mark on the trade. I'm ready to look at it. I'm ready to see it, man. I'm ready to see it. We have to go, hey baby, I'm cold outside. We have to go, hey baby, it's cold outside. I still think Nas is the better trade. Like, ES just put a lot of pressure in. Fucking New York launch, dog. It's a new strat. Just fucking pick the direction it's the most obvious and just click trade. Fuck.
Still haven't hit this 50% mark in the trade yet. Gotta wait for $300. There it is. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Holy shit.
Now I want to trust this next 5 minute. Now I'd like to trust it. Stopping it from going down. Basically nothing. I'm proud of you, little NASDAQ. I'm proud of you. You're moving a little bit more normal this week for me. I appreciate it. I really do. So this trade on ES would have been like probably like $200 less. If I had to guess. Maybe not. I don't know. Because I would put more contracts on ES. I put in 3 on NASDAQ, which is still a good bit for how high the contract sizes are on NASDAQ. But I'm trading micros because I ain't got mini money like that. So, and sure as hell don't got macro money. It's pissing rain. Hope it's like nice though and the audio is not like fucked. Because it sounds so good outside. It's like so cozy. I don't like that rejection. Bro, Mike's hitting me up because he's got class, but bro, this is what I'm saying. I feel like a lot of people think me and Mike just be copying each other, bro, but we're not even talking right now, and he just sent me a picture of his trade. Hold up, I'm going to show you guys. This dude is in the same trade as me. Can you guys see this? I don't know if you guys can see this, but he's in the exact same trade as I am right now. Fuck yeah, buddy. That's that good shit. That's that good shit. Okay. Now what we don't want is a 1 minute fair value gap. Yes. NASDAQ. What the fuck are you doing? Brother. What are we doing? Brother. No. No inverse. I mean, yes, inverse. No fill. No fill. It's a heavy one, boys. It's a fucking heavy one. Okay. Just want to see what ES is doing on a higher time frame. It still looks good, man. It still looks good. It did break 3-minute structure on NASDAQ. Or 1-minute structure on NASDAQ. What did we do on the 3-minute? Please. Okay, we filled. We filled a fair value gap on the 3-minute time frame. Fuck yeah. So when did this come up? Just now. Sweet, that's good then. That was a good close. Obviously we need the close after to agree with us, but I like the higher time frame, man. I like the higher time frame. Should I just move break even? I feel like I should here. Or at least just under these 5-minute lows. So I'm only risking $44. I'll risk 50. $55. There we go. Is that an inverse? No, not even close. A little bit of consolidation right here. For sure. This inverse would be beautiful. If you were thinking that, you are correct. Fuck. Darn it. Darn it. Do I just pull it? Fuck. No, I don't just pull it. I'm not a bitch. And you're not a bitch if you pull out a trade and take profits. You're actually smarter than me if you do that and it ends up reversing here on my ass. What the fudge, man? Yeah, I get it was a 1 minute and all, but fuck, like, we also had this 3 minutes, 3-minute fill right here, and I am actually really liking the way that looks right here when it closes. Wow, okay. I will take that all day, every day. And then when you look at how good this 1-minute rejection was, builds that confidence back up for you. We're still testing the 1-minute fair value gap, unfortunately, but remain confident. You must remain confident in one's true self. Also, okay, with me not being on the call, I can focus on you guys a whole lot more. So I hope, and I feel like I've been talking a good bit, keeping you guys entertained. So I like that about the long format videos and when I'm not with Mike, because I can just talk to you guys more. But I'm not gonna lie, me and Mike be fucking hitting. So get used to him, because bro is my OG mentor. Got me into this trading thing. Without him, there's no me. So big shout out, DT Mike. What the hell was that? What the fuck? Yo! Yo! What the shiz, man? What are we doing, man? You just did all that work to get up there to fucking reject back down? Are you fucking serious? Are we serious? Are we fucking serious? I wanted to move the break even after this fucking move. It looks so fucking clean. But now you're coming back down at me and I'm like, what in the fuck? Alright, 45 seconds. This will make a higher low. Just be nice. Be nice. There's no need for the bullshit. Just stay out in that zone. You can even make this your new little test area to hop out of. Go for it, buddy. I support you, man. I support the U.S. stocks. I support you, all my investors, my fellow investors. I don't have any investors. I'm not no financial advisor. You should be watching me to learn how to not trade. If anything, unless I win this trade, then you can probably take some notes and learn yourself. Fuck. Fuck. Higher time frame holds the higher power. Higher time frame holds the higher power. That's what we do. Come on. Come on. Break even, I think, is safe here. And we also had a 5-minute close. I didn't realize it was a rejection candle to the downside, but I really, really like that. Thing is, bro, is it just gonna sweep and then come back down? Like, what are we fucking doing? Come on, ES. Give me the pressure we want to see. I'm just trying to like learn. It's about 16 bars on top, so the positioning's not as far off as it looks. Which is telling me the way ES is moving, I really like. So I'm kind of remaining confident in that. I could expect maybe a big sweep right here. So I just gotta remind myself not to get too worried about that. Because that's what Price is wanting to do, man. Price needs to collect orders to, you know, potentially go and fill these orders on a higher time frame. We got about 2.5 minutes. That's a higher high. Higher low, higher high. That's why you can't get worried. I shouldn't be worried at all anymore. I'm at break even. I'm probably not going to lose any money on this trade. Unless it does some ho shit, but I mean, even if it does some ho shit, then it's going to stop me out at break even. And I'll be happy with that day. thing is that I don't like is the hourly doesn't even look bad, to be honest. Gotta refresh the page. Let me full screen this for you guys. The 4 hour looks decent. Hey baby, it's cold outside. Yeah. The higher time frame holds the higher power. I mean, the trade's gonna do what the trade's gonna do. So I'm in it to win it. Hello? Hello? Hey, Mr. Shemp, how you doing?
Well, I'm all right. I'm a little soggy.
Oh yeah, it's a little soggy outside, isn't it?
Got a little problem. An appointment came up.
Sure.
Need to get there. I was wondering if we could do the pressure washing on the 19th instead of the 18th.
That'd be fine. I can also come Thursday as well. Wait, that is the 19th, isn't it?
That is Thursday, yeah.
Yeah, that'd be fine. That should work good.
What? Have you got a time in mind on Thursday?
It'll probably be a little afternoon, like around 12 to 1ish.
Yeah, that sounds all right. You figure it'll take a couple hours.
Yeah, it should take about an hour or two for us to finish up.
All right. I'll see you on the 19th.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
So long.
All right, bye. All right, I'm back. Hopefully you guys can hear me good. The trade is trading. Why do people think this is going short? I guess it's just the rejection candles from that side. If this is what Price wants to do, then I will accept it. We could be making a higher high here, though. Or, I'm sorry, we made a higher low on the 5 minute. We could just be making that next step. See what Mike's up to here. Oh, no, he's busy. He's busy. Oof. Remember what I was saying, though. I could expect it to come down here and sweep this liquidity that it wants. Break even. It's kind of what I was expecting. Now if it reverses, it reverses. It's the first time it's testing this 1 minute gap here. Let's see, 3 minute has closed, but it did not break structure. It broke structure on here. Oh no! Wow. Now I got break even today. That stinks. That stinks so bad. Ah. Well, as my rules are changing, I think it is very safe for me. Well, we are entering this fair value gap here. Oh, the 5 minute broke structure right there. Alright. That is what it is. It did not want this liquidity today, at least not in the time that I was trading. But I managed the risk very well. I was in profs essentially the entire trade. Yeah, man, the market has just been doing this lately. Like, we'll have like an obvious launch upwards, and they're doing it on purpose, the market makers. Where they make this obvious move that we all took. I took this long, and then they just give us no reason to reverse. It's been doing that consistently. Tell me, why? If we were really wanting to go short, why the fuck did we not go short off market open and sweep out these equal lows, right? No, it made a big move up. We found a great entry. Literally nothing stopping it from touching this liquidity up here. Nothing at all. Builds its slow ass up. Yeah, we're gonna go up slow. Yeah, bro. It's some horseshit. I do want to see. I want to see this. Yeah, alright boys. I'm going to call it there. I appreciate you guys for watching. I was going to take another entry, but it's not worth today. I put in like a contract and was letting it move, but yeah, bro, I think it's just safer for me to step out today. I appreciate you guys for watching, man. I'll link my socials in the bottom of the description. If you want to go check out any of my other content on other social medias, I post there a good bit. You'll learn stuff a lot faster there. So if you're interested, go check that out. That was my trading day today. I will post this video because it was pretty good. So with that being said, you guys have a fucking beautiful one, man. Deuces.